My name is Aman, and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem trapping rainwater using C++. In this problem, what we have to do is there are buildings, and the smallest building, according to smallest building, the water will fill. So if the left side building is 4 and right side building is 2, the water will be stored at least at the 2. So now let's talk it in depth. So here you can see array name is a height, and inside it there are numbers here 0 to 0. So we get 6 output. How? Because the above elevation map is represented by array. You can see there are numbers. So what it does is first of all it add like this 1, because there is this building height is 1, and second building height is 2, so the smallest building height is stores the water according to it. So the first, and after trapping the water, it will continuously going to store the water, and then I will it will return the final trapping rainwater, how much the water stored. So now for this problem, what we are going to do is we are creating a leftMax vector int and uh, rightMax left int that will store rightMax, and leftMax store uh, max from the left side. After that, we are going to traverse it, and then first I am going to create a loop for traversing and checking the left max. The second, I am going to check for the right max. Then after that, we are going to finally checking from the index of the heights of the buildings. Then from the then what we will do is using a formula mean from left max and right max, and from into output from them, and minus from height. Then the answer comes that will store the water. So now let's check it. Now I'm going to write the code here. For this problem, I'm going to use one time complexity, because we are going only using traversing here. So now let's write it. Its name is leftMax, and it will first of all we are going to create a int variable, and its name int inside it variable name n, which will store the size of height. Then after creating leftmost inside it, we are going to check the height size. So now next we are going to create rightMax. After we have created the three variables left and rightmost, and then for size storing the size of height the buildings, and now we are going to traverse for the leftmost. Before we are traversing, we are going to set it as a same as the zero index, and the height should be also zero index. It is going to start. It starts from the left side, so it starts from the left side. Now I'm going to create a loop. So we have done it, and now less than n and plus plus. Why I've used I0 and less than n? Because we are going from left side to right side checking left and so I created this loop. Now, what I will do is I'm going to find the leftMax. So I'm going to for getting max value, we are going to use a method max. How can we gain leftMax from leftMax and from it will compare from height and leftMax because it will going to traverse from the traverse in loop. So now write it. We need to write it and what it will do is so sorry here yeah, it here should be one and I in here I am going to minus one because we are going to check it from the zero side. In here I have declared it and here the height remains same. So left max value will be from this. Now I'm going to find right max. So right max value from the right side. So I'm going to use n minus one because we are going from the right side to left side checking the right max and so we are going to define in the height also like same. Now I'm going to create a loop. Here I'm going to traverse it from the right side. So I will going to loop it from the back side. So I've used I is equal to minus 2 and it should be greater than equal to 0 because it will be going in the first position now. So and I minus minus p dv because it is going to decrease and checking from just like I will going to tell you from example here in if this is the size 1 3 and 12 size is 12 so it will minus and going to check the right side and the left side now I'm going to write the code for rightMax value so here like same we are going to use the max method to finding rightMax. But in here I'm going to use I plus 1 because it will start from the last so I've used it from the right mouse will be start from the back side in the end of the position and height remains same after we have done we have done two max left max we are finding for this I've created this and for right max I have traversed details. And for the final result, I am going to create a water because we are going to store the water. So it will initialize as 0. Now I am going to traverse the height. height. So it will be less than I is equal to 0 to less than n. And it will traverse from the first index to last index. So in here, for the property to get the water, I'm going to use the mean from the left max and from the right max. Then after finding the mean value, then I will going to subtract it from the height of the indexes where we are going to check. So in here, and after we have completed it, and we will simply return the water. So in here we have created it. All of you have any doubts? Just like you could say, water how is it is working. So I will tell you. So basically, what it will do is water here. So it will first check its zero index and part of zero index here. And leftMax it is stored as just left from leftMax. It will choose what position here, and you can see it is 4 from left coast. First it will check it. So 4 is the left max, and so 4, and from the right max is here 5. So it will find minimum. So the find minimum, the answer will be 4, and minus it from the first index. So the first is index not let we assume first index here, not zero index, first index. So after for getting 4 from the main value and minus it from the 2, what we get is 2. So the water is 2, and it is going to do through loop and checking all the indexes, and then it will storing and adding here. Then I am going to return it. So now let's check it, is all the code working or not. Here just small mistake here. I think now let's check it. So the code is working as well now. So the now let's check it. This question is passing all the test cases that have written here code. So here you can see I passed all the test cases. The question of LeetCode here, trapping rainwater. So thank you for watching me. If there is any problem, you can tell me in comment that I can improve. Thank you for watching me, and the LinkedIn and the portfolio link or GitHub link you want, you guys can check it in the description. Thank you for watching me.